Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson, we have learned first 15 consonant letters in Tulu. In this video, we are going to learn remaining consonant letters in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. First one is ta. Ta. Examples: tara. Tara means head, tale in Kannada. Tadi. Tadi means body, deha in Kannada. Aita. Aita means decoration or readiness, alankara or shringara in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ta. Ta. Next one is tha. Tha. This is aspirated ta sound used to write Sanskrit words. Example: Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda, one of the 4 Vedas. Ityartha. Ityartha means decision or settlement. Also Ityartha in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Tha. Tha. Next one is the. The. Examples: Dambakai. Dambakai means left hand, edagai in Kannada. Pudaru. Pudaru means name, hesaru in Kannada. Sambandha. Sambandha means relation, sambandha in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. The. The. Next one is the. The. This is aspirated da sound used to write Sanskrit words. Examples: Dharmasthala. Dharmasthala, a place of pilgrimage. Ardha. Ardha means half. Also Ardha in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. The. The. Next one is na. Na. Examples: Naramani. Naramani means a human being, Manushya in Kannada. Nalike. Nalike means dance, Kunita in Kannada. Kana. Kana means dream, Kanasu in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Na. Na. Next one is pa. Pa. Examples: Pakala. Pakala means a coral, Havala in Kannada. Paja. Paja means a mat, Chape in Kannada. Kadapa. Kadapa means crossing, Datuvike in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. pa, pa. Next one is pha, pha. This is the aspirated pa sound used to write Sanskrit words. Example: phalavasta, phalavasta means fruits. Phalavastu in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Pha, pha. Next one is ba, ba. Examples: bachire, bachire means betel leaf. Vilyadele in Kannada. Badavu, badavu means hunger. Hasivu in Kannada. Parba, parba means festival. Habba in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ba, ba. Next one is bha, bha. This is the aspirated ba sound used to write Sanskrit words. Bhakti, bhakti means devotion. Also bhakti in Kannada. Sulabha, sulabha means easy. Also sulabha in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Bha, bha. Next one is ma, ma. Examples: madalu, madalu means the branch of coconut or palm tree. ತೆಂಗು ಅಥವಾ ತಾಳೆ ಮರದ ಗರಿ. ಮಗೆ, ಮಗೆ means son. Maga in Kannada. Amaru, amaru means twin. Avali in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ma, ma. Next one is ya, ya. Examples: yame, yame means god of death. Yama. Ayana, ayana means temple festival. Jatre in Kannada. Binnaya, binnaya means a request. Manavi in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ya, ya. Next one is ra, ra. Examples: raddu, raddu means two. Eradu in Kannada. Parattu, parattu means old. Halattu in Kannada. Swara, swara means voice. Dhvani in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ra, ra. Next one is la, la. Examples: lattu, lattu means tender. Elaya in Kannada. Ladai, ladai means quarrel. Jagala in Kannada. Atkala, atkala means kitchen. Aduge mane in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. la, la. Next one is va, va. Examples: vakile, vakile means an advocate. Vakila in Kannada. Iruva, iruva means 20. Ippattu in Kannada. Juvamana, juvamana means lifetime. Jivamana in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Va, va. Next one is sha, sha. Examples: shanka, shanka means a conch shell. Also shanka in Kannada. Desha, desha means a country. Also desha in Kannada. Akasha, akasha means the sky. Also akasha in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Sha, sha. Next one is sha, sha. Examples: shanmukhe, shanmukhe means the god Shanmukha. Ishta, ishta means wished or beloved. Also ishta in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Sha, sha. Okay, next one is sa, sa. Examples: satya, satya means truth. Also satya in Kannada. Amasara, amasara means urgency. Atura in Kannada. Barsa, barsa means rain. Male in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Sa, sa. Next one is ha, ha. Examples: hakku, hakku means right. Hakku in Kannada. Haryana, Haryana means a flat metal plate or tray. Harivana in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ha, ha. Next one is la, la. This sound is not used in common Tulu dialects. It is pronounced as dental la only. Example: Gala, gala means fish hook. Gala in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. La, la. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn how to add vowel signs to the consonant letters. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.